Hey YouTube, Old Hippie here. You're looking at the numbers of the previous grow here. Did a little better than what we anticipated. I do apologize that I didn't get to walk you guys through the final weight type of video, but as I'm sure you can relate, there's a lot of craziness going around, and I had to make sure that I could get it to the to my source so it could be distributed amongst veterans and other folks that are suffering from PTSD and all those other ailments. Okay, we did it. It turned out a little better than what I thought. I guessed around 2 and it ended up being about 3 pounds. I just still wasn't very happy with the grow overall. I just feel it could have been much better. I don't feel like I gave it the attention that it deserved, and for that I apologize to you folks. But I'll be back at her here, and after the blistering summer heat out here, we'll line up another one. As you can see, well, hi bud, what up, bro? Hey, all right, yeah, he's not, he did not enjoy the benefits of the harvest at all, right? I think he still is. He had a little 420 experience too, I think. But as you can see, room's all torn down again. We'll get her set back up for the next one in a few months. Until then, YouTube, stay in touch. You have questions, I'm always glad to help, and just submit a comment. I'll get back to you. Alrighty, y'all have a good day. Old Hippie and Bud, we're out.